the online tutorial classes for the Dharmapan High Secondary School, and this video is for class 12 nutrition. Today I will continue the chapter is common deficiency diseases in India. In previous I have uploaded at least of 9 videos from this chapter where I have discussed many things like the nutrition deficiency anemia, iodine deficiency disorder, as well as the kwashiorkor marasmus like the micronutrients deficiency, also the micronutrition deficiency, and also about some other common problems in the last video, that are the scurvy, the erythroflaccinosis, the pellagra, the rickets, etc. And today I will start with the factors affecting health and nutrition. These all are the nutritional deficiency problem or the excess problem, and today I will discuss what are the factors which are related to these conditions. Okay, the factors affecting health and nutrition. So the very first we have to know what is the health or what is the definition of the health. Okay, so the health. The definition of the health is very, very important. Okay. The WHO says health is a state of complete mental, physical and social well-being, and not really an absence of disease or infirmity. Okay, so this is the definition of the health. So what is health? Health is a state. It is a complete mental, physical and social healthy state where there is no disease and cannot be any infirmities. So actually it is this is given by who? World Health Organization. But the thing is that what do you think? This definition cannot be obtained by any single individual, because it is a written, it is a theoretical definition. But the thing is that a person can't be completely mental, physical or socially healthy at any time. A man can't. Because if you have tension, then if you are not healthy. If you have any of the infirmities, or if you have the stomach pain or the headache, you are not healthy. Or if you have any problems like any quarrel with your mother or your parents or any of your family member or any of the neighbor, then you are not healthy too, because you don't have the social relationship, proper social relationship with them. So practically this definition is not right, but theoretically it is the main definition of being healthy. So there are many factors which can influence the health. The first factor is biological. Okay. So what is the biological factors? That including genetic determinants and also the other factors. The physical and mental characteristics of every human being are somewhat determined by the nature of his genes and the moment of conception. By the genes, many of the characters are carried. They carry from the birth. So there are several diseases or genetic disorders can also be held to them, like diabetes, obesity, hypertension, like these are. So, and also some of the main congenital anomalies can also be happen to them. Okay, so these are the biological biological problem. The second is socio-economical condition. Where the socio-economic conditions have long been known as the influence of the human health. For the majority of the world population, the health status is determined primarily for their level of the socio-economic development. Like if they are not in the proper social economical status, they cannot buy the proper food, right? So they are not being able to obtain the proper situation or the proper healthy status. The third is behavioral and lifestyle patterns. It is also can be seen that the person have a very good social economic status, but due to this social economic status, they are smokers, or they are used to get alcohol, or they have alcoholism problems, or any tobacco related problems, or any health hazards. These are called the behavioral problems. The high lifestyle, they used to go club every day and they drink and they smoke, and that's why, or they consume the high amount of junk foods and the fast food, and in this way they are actually wasted their health. Okay, so the lifestyle refers to the way of the people live, and the reflecting the whole range of the social value, attitudes, and the activities. It is composed of the cultural and the behavioral patterns and the lifelong personal habits like the smoking, alcoholism, etc., and have developed through processes of socialization. Okay, the next point is environment. Environment also have a very good relation with the health. If the person don't have a good environment, or the person is not getting a good environment for being healthy, the person's life, or if he doesn't can spend his life in a healthy condition, in a healthy lifestyle, or in a healthy state, the health can't be obtained, the proper health can't be obtained. The Hippocrates related disease to the environment, both external and the internal environment are related to nutrition and the health. Physical, biological, and psychological environment are all important for being healthy. Okay. The next point is health services. So, the term health and the family welfare services cover a wide spectrum of personal and community services for treatment of disease, prevention and illness, of the promoting of health. The purpose of health services is to improve the health status of the population. Indian government and the state government have started many of the health related initiations, like many of the programs for the betterment of the health status of the people. The people have to take that if they give the proper health facilities, the proper health service, they should obtain, they will be able to obtain the proper health. Okay. In the next class, I will discuss more about it. Till then,